Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today I'm going to show you the best way on how to start affiliate marketing in 2020. And if you're watching this between November 29 and December 2nd of 2019, then you're actually going to be able to do this for only 82 cents a day, guys. Okay, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, I'm back here at my slideshow to show you the best way to start affiliate marketing in 2020. The first thing you're going to need is to understand how to be an affiliate marketer, guys. Okay, so I want to make sure you understand what that is. So there are three parties in affiliate marketing. There's going to be the merchant, the vendor, the people who makes the products. Okay, so these are like brands like Nike, like Uber, and a bunch of other, like thousands and thousands of other merchants that have affiliate programs. Okay, then you have customers over here, right? So there's got the merchants and you got customers. And where do you come in? You come in between, guys. Okay, you're right there. You're right here in the middle of these two things right here. Okay, and you are trying to bridge the customer to the merchant. And how do you stick yourself between those two? It's kind of weird explaining it this way, but I hope it's at least you get a chuckle out of this. But you are basically the bridge between the customer and the merchant, and you're going to bring them together. And how you're going to bring them together is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before we get there, what do you need? So before you even get started, you need to determine what topic you will be helping in. Topic meaning you have to kind of go into affiliate marketing knowing what niche you're going to go into. Niche or niche, you can say it however you like, but it is basically what topic or what big topic that you will go into. So like people will go into affiliate marketing doing, like what I do is I help other people make money online, especially in affiliate marketing. So you could be helping people on like how to train a dog, or how to play golf, or how to make a shed in your backyard. Whatever that may be, it could be any topic that you want, that you feel comfortable in. And it should be a topic that you really, really like, because this is going to be a long-term thing. So you're not just going to go into this with a mindset that it's going to be like, let's try this for a month. This is a long-term business that you're going to be building. So it's very important it's going to be a topic that you like, not necessarily an expert or anything. No, because you can become an expert as you work in this topic. And as you work more and more in this topic, you will be also seen as an authority figure in such niche. And that's what you want to position yourself in, okay? How can you solve their problems? Now, this is a big one, okay? This is how, so once you decide what topic you want to go into, you need to figure out what are the people's pain points in this topic and how you can help them solve this pain point. And if you can figure that out, that's basically a lot of what affiliate marketing is, okay? Usually it will be the affiliate product that will then solve the problem, okay? And then once you have a topic, once you know what problems are people having in that topic, and once you know how to figure out what products that can help them solve their pain, then you gotta just go out there and find those people with the problems, right? So how will you get visitors and show them the way to solve their problem? And the way to do that, and what the best way to do this is by building an online asset, okay? what is an online asset anyway, right? Well, an online asset is going to be what's going to act as your bridge that I talked about in the beginning of this video. So when I said, you're going to be the sandwich between the customer and the vendor, right? And this online asset is going to be that bridge between the customer and the vendor. And I'll explain a little bit more about how this works. And this particular online asset that I'm talking about will attract its own visitors, okay? There's really not a lot of online assets that can do this, okay? If you build it the right way, you will be able to have it be on its own, attracting its own visitors and basically earning you money passively. This is exactly how you could earn passive online income. So remember, I was telling you earlier that you need to find out the pain points or the problems that people are having in your topic, in the topic that you want to go into, right? How are you going to tell people about how to solve those problems if you don't have somewhere to actually show people how to help them? And that's why an online asset, why you need it, is because that's where you're going to put your helpful content, how you're going to help your visitors or the people in your niche to solve their pain points. And using this online asset, not only will they know how to solve the problem, then when they go and take your recommendation, that's how you will earn affiliate commissions. And so what this online asset is, it's an affiliate website, guys. So what a website, why you want to build an online asset that is a website is because websites can get ranked on search engines, and search engines rank websites, okay? And why you want to be on search engines, because that is where you can get flooded with unlimited, highly targeted visitors to your affiliate offers, okay? No other online asset that you can own fully can do that. The second online asset that can do that, but you don't own, is a YouTube channel. Because YouTube channels, they do rank on search engines and can get massive amounts of people, but you don't own YouTube channel. So if you have an affiliate website, this is the advantage over a YouTube channel. So if you have a website, you can rank on search engines, get the massive amount of people going to your online asset. They're going to read about how you're going to help them solve their problem. They're going to take your recommendation, and the website is going to lead them to the affiliate offers that you want them to go to. And when they buy, that's how you make commissions with your affiliate website. And I know a lot of people might shy from a website because they're like, oh my God, it's all technical. It's technical. But guys, it is going to be 2020. It's not that technical anymore, okay? You just need the right guidance. You just need the right place to go build your affiliate website. And the place that you need to go to is right here at Wealthy Affiliate, okay? This is where I built my affiliate website, workanywherenow.com, and it is a success story on the platform as well. And also the training here has made me a super affiliate, okay? Wealthy Affiliate is an online training platform, and you get to this with my face on it here, guys. You want my face on here, or else, wah! You're not going to get my bonuses, guys, okay? For you to get to Wealthy Affiliates page with my face on it, you do have to go to my affiliate link. My affiliate link is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. I will show you how to get to this page very easily, and then you're going to put in your email address there, no credit card needed, and you're going to set up your free account. Now, with your free account, is really just to check it out, guys, okay? And if you're serious about building your affiliate website, you really do need to go premium. And right now, if you're watching this during November 29th and December 2nd of 2019, you're in luck because they have Black Friday sale right now on their yearly membership, guys, okay? Their yearly membership is $359 normally. So right now it's on sale for only $2.99, guys. Okay, and that is very, very cheap. It's like 82 cents a day to run an online business. Literally, you cannot find another deal like this to learn affiliate marketing by building a very powerful online asset like an affiliate website, guys. And this is really the best way to start your affiliate marketing venture. This is how I started affiliate marketing in 2016. And so if you don't want to do the yearly plan though, they do have monthly plan and a 6-month plan. But obviously those two plans are going to be way more expensive than a yearly plan. So a monthly plan is like $49 a month. And a 6-month plan is $234 for every 6 months. And if you can get on the deal to get the $2.99 yearly membership, it's going to be really, really beneficial for you guys. All right. So go ahead and use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. You get your free account first, and then go check out the platform, see if you like it, and then you can see, and then you can upgrade. The platform will show you exactly how to upgrade. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you learned something about affiliate marketing and what you need to do to get a good start on your affiliate marketing path. Join me at Wealthy Affiliate to start building your online business for 2020 right here at Wealthy Affiliate using workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. And I'm going to be your personal coach if you decide to upgrade, guys. Okay, so don't forget the Black Friday deal. It's only for a few days, and it's only once a year that they have any sale at all. So go ahead and click that link, and I'll see you on the platform, guys. Okay, so I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, guys, so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come up with videos every single week, guys, but I don't know when they come out, so make sure you get notified, okay? Okay, so I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.